Welcome to RapidTech, place where breaking tech meets lightning-fast delivery.
Get ready for tech news like you've never seen it before.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to RapidTech. Today, we are talking about the iPhone that almost was. For years, the internet has been buzzing with rumors about an Apple flip phone. And while Apple just recently graced us with the new, more affordable iPhone 17e, the foldable dream was notably missing. Today, we're breaking down why Apple's flip phone is dead and what they are building instead. Let's be honest. If you're a devout iPhone user, you probably have a strict, if it ain't broke, don't fix it mentality. But even the most loyal Apple fans have probably felt a little twinge of envy seeing a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip out in the wild. But if you were hoping Apple would launch a direct competitor to the Z Flip, I have bad news. Apple reportedly completely rejected the clamshell flip design, calling it totally unnecessary and pointing to a few major engineering setbacks. But don't lose hope just yet. Apple isn't abandoning the foldable market. They are just pivoting. Instead of a flip phone, Apple is going all in on a book-style device. Think more along the lines of the Galaxy Z Fold. And the leaks for this iPhone Fold are starting to heat up. Word on the street is that Apple has agreed to a massive price hike just to secure 12 gigabytes of RAM from Samsung for this new device, likely to power some heavy-duty Apple Intelligence features. And Apple is going to have some serious competition when they finally enter the ring. You might think Samsung is the undisputed king of foldables. But recent data shows a massive plot twist. Motorola is currently leading foldable phone sales in the United States, owning half the market. By the time the iPhone Fold drops, it's going to be a bloodbath for that top spot. So, the flip is out and the fold is in. But I have to ask you guys, are you disappointed we aren't getting a classic flip-style iPhone? And would you actually shell out the cash for a massive, book-style Apple foldable? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.